for a top MBA college in Bangalore, this video is for you. Today I am going to discuss about Top Management Institute named as Regional College of Management RCM Bangalore. If you are looking for a B school which would give you 100% ROI, top quality placement, then RCM Bangalore, Regional College of Management Bangalore can be a perfect choice for you. This side Urvashi, welcome to Apna MBA. Today I am going to talk about Regional College of Management Bangalore, which is one of the finest options of Bangalore and a premium institute of India. RCM Bangalore offers two programs, MBA and PGDM. MBA is from Bangalore University and PGDM is AICTE approved. The reason I chose this college is because of its ROI, return on investment, which is the most important factor for any or every MBA aspirant. RCM Bangalore offers 100% of ROI. Today we will talk about the pros and cons of RCM Bangalore, which will give you a better understanding and clarity. The first and the most important factor for an MBA aspirant is placement and ROI, return on investment. Yes, RCM Bangalore offers 100% ROI. That means whatever is the course fees you are investing for 2 years is equal to or more than the placement you get. Average placement offered in RCM is 7.2 lakhs per annum. Each and every student is getting placed within the range of 5.5 to 10 lakhs. Total course fee for 2 years is 6.95 lakhs and the average placement offered is 7.2 lakhs per annum. Highest placement recorded till date is 27 lakhs per annum. So I hope you can understand and get the point of placements and ROI which the students of RCM are getting. Companies like KPMG, Oracle, TCS, IBM and more are coming for the placements. Unique feature of RCM Bangalore is multiple placement opportunities. Now what is it? Mostly in MBA colleges of India, if you are selected or crack the interview of one company, for example with the package of 6 lakhs, then you are not allowed to sit for any company even if they are coming with the more or less package of 6 lakhs. Not only the package, even if the company is your desired company, then also you will miss the opportunity. But in RCM Bangalore, each and every student is allowed to sit for 3 to 5 companies for the placements. The students of RCM can choose their own choice of company with the desired package. Students of RCM gets placed in 3 to 4 companies within their 3rd semester itself. To receive the placement brochure, e-brochure, WhatsApp your full name and city to my WhatsApp number 98530331118. I repeat 98530331118. From last 10 years, we have been counseling students. We have counseled over 30,000 plus students and last year our 30 plus students have taken admission in RCM Bangalore through Apna MBA. We counsel students, we help them for the application process, interview process. We'll share you the in and out details of the MBA colleges and will help you for interview coordination and finally your admission process, seamless admission process. So from where do we get all the information? Generally students go to the website, browse different other e-portals like Shiksha Quora for the reviews, but the information which I am sharing you is very genuine and the latest one. The actual facts and figures discussed we have collected through various online and offline sources. The online source includes YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and more online platforms. Similarly for offline, our management has visited the college. They have seen the campus, met with the chairman, placement team, spoken to the students, seen the hostel and have collected real-time feedback. We are in touch with our students who took admission last 2 years back and all are placed in MNCs. Also in touch with the students who are now in second year, they are doing well and the students who took admission in 2020 and are doing their online classes. So if you want to speak to any student for a better clarity and understanding, you can WhatsApp me your full name and city to my WhatsApp number 9853033118. One thing I would like to mention is recently I was having words with my students who have passed out in 2020. All these students, despite of the COVID situation, have got placed in good MNCs and got multiple offers in 4 to 5 companies with the package of 5 to 10 lakh range. As per the best of our research, we have verified that RCM Bangalore is giving 100% placement, multiple placement offers and 100% ROI by speaking with our students, going to different e-portals. Our management visited the college, have seen the campus and collected the feedback. Now, even if you want to verify and cross-check the same, you can go to different e-portals and check the reviews on shiksha.com, collegedekho.com, collegedunia.com, pagalguy.com and career360.com. You can also find everywhere it's a highly rated college. And even if you want to check the feedback of students in the video format, YouTube is the best platform. You can go to YouTube, search RCM Bangalore and get the student testimonial videos. To get the video feedback of students, WhatsApp me your full name and your email ID to this number 9853033118, which is mentioned in the description box. Will share you the students' video feedback. Moving towards the next point, as RCM Bangalore is listed among the premier institutes of SBI along with IITs and IIMs, it offers collateral-free education loan up to 7.5 lakhs. Yes, you can avail up to 7.5 lakhs of education loan from State Bank of India, which would be completely collateral-free, mortgage-free and security-free. Course fees for 2 years of MBA PGDM program is 6.95 lakhs. You just have to pay 60,000, the registration amount, and rest you can avail from State Bank of India as education loan. You don't have to repay the loan amount from the sanctioning date. Rather, after completion of 3 years, 2 years of your MBA PGDM, 1 year of your job. Yes, after 3 years, you have to start repaying the loan amount till next 10-15 years in small EMIs. So in this way your education becomes almost free. Also, the rate of interest is less as compared to other banks. So you have to fill the application form and proceed with the interview part. Cracking the interview for RCM Bangalore is not at all easy. Your interview will be scheduled, and if you crack the interview, if you get selected, your offer letter will be released and you have to proceed further with the registration part. Once you are done with the registration process, the loan letter will be sent to your address and you can avail loan from your nearest SBI. Now, why is RCM able to give such good loan facility? Because it's rated as A++ category, 100% return on investment, past placement record, strong curriculum, international exposure, faculties of IIM Bangalore, IIT Kharagpur, Roorkee, Madras and more. So as I mentioned, cracking the interview for RCM Bangalore is not everyone's cup of tea. So to get the interview assistance, to get the tips and tricks how to crack the GDPR of RCM and get admission in this wonderful B school, WhatsApp me your full name to my WhatsApp number 9853033118 and get the interview assistance. The major two aspects of RCM Bangalore, 100% ROI, placements and loan facility is covered up. So right now start with the application process. Find the link of application form of RCM Bangalore through apnamba.com in the description box. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'll be covering up the pros and cons of RCM Bangalore. Now what are the cons of RCM? So the first point is it's near the airport. Yes, if you want to enjoy the city life, you cannot. But even RCM doesn't entertain the students with casual attitude. Rather, they want studious, career-oriented and serious students. The next point is that RCM Bangalore's MBA PGDM program is fully residential. That means you have to stay in RCM's hostel itself. But if you look into IIMs and top-notch institutes of India, even they offer full-time residential program to give students a focused environment, to make you industry ready, and for a better transformation from a student to a professional. So if you look into other important aspects of considering RCM as your dream BE school, here are the few points I would like to brief. The first point, boot camps. RCM Bangalore offers 3 boot camps: Swiss boot camp, French boot camp and German boot camp, where students learn from the international experts about different aspects of the industry and about life and culture of different countries and international business. Second, about the certification courses. RCM Bangalore offers 6 free certification courses which includes international business, business analytics, leadership and development, artificial intelligence, machine learning and your Six Sigma and digital marketing. The third aspect is the international exposure. The students of RCM are taken to Southeast Asia, and also for the students who are interested can pay 3 lakh extra and avail the 15 days of international trip to Germany, Switzerland and France. Fourth point, it has a very strong curriculum. The fifth point, it's about the faculties. RCM Bangalore has excellent faculties which includes PhD holders, industry experts and international faculties. So let me summarize why RCM Bangalore is a good option for you. There are many colleges in Bangalore, but undermat colleges generally offer 4 to 5 lakhs of average salary package, but RCM Bangalore is giving you average salary of 7.2 lakhs. Also, some other colleges offer the same. Multiple placement opportunities. Very few and selective MBA colleges offer multiple placement opportunities where you will be having 4 to 5 offers in your hand and you can decide which company is best for you. Collateral-free education loan from State Bank of India. Yes, you just have to pay 60,000 as your registration amount and the rest amount you can avail from State Bank of India as your education loan, which very few colleges of Bangalore give this kind of opportunity. Coming to the faculties, RCM Bangalore have corporate faculties, international faculties who are there for you to give you truly international exposure and experience. Finally, based on the reviews of the students which we have collected after speaking to the students of first year, second year and the pass out students, we have got to know that whatever was being committed was delivered and students are very happy and satisfied. Lastly, I would like to tell that you need to be skillful, you have to be a performer, you have to perform really very well in the classroom, in your semesters, in your internships and extracurricular activities, because college is there to give you exposure, give you platform, calling companies. So if you are really performing well, placements completely becomes a byproduct. But getting admission in RCM Bangalore is not that easy. You have to score minimum 50% in your graduation, decent score in your nationalized level entrance exam, any of it. You have to perform really very well in the interview. I will share you the tips and tricks how to crack the interview and will also share you the placement details, campus pictures, hostel pictures of the college. And for any admission help, you can contact me to my WhatsApp number 98530 So there are n number of reasons to join RCM Bangalore, but for me it's not possible to cover all the points in one video. So you start the application process right now. Find the link in the description box. Even if you're looking for any other college in Bangalore and want information for it, you can connect me in WhatsApp. My team will call you back, understand you better and resolve all your queries. If you like the video, hit the like button to get all the latest GDPI updates. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.